Hi, and welcome to Wiley CPAexcel. My name's Pam Smith, and I'm one of your partners on your journey to become a CPA. When you first start, the task of studying all of this material may seem overwhelming, but CPAexcel has built-in tools to help make this process much more manageable. Use the exam planner to set your dates to study. The planner is going to create a roadmap for you to complete all the lessons and provide milestones for you. Be honest with yourself as to how much time you think you're going to have for studying. Do your best to stick with your plan and follow the syllabus that's created for you. We have structured our content to optimize learning. Set aside a specific time and space to study. Call it your me time, because frankly, you are investing in yourself, and I guarantee you, your future self will thank you.